Jesus Christ. Who's up? Whoa. I be Gucci down. Who's up? Who's up? Who's up? Hey, subscribe to my channel right now. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram. Hey. No, that's just. I ain't no sucker, I ain't cuffing, no. I bought a Rari just so I can go faster. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Oh God, 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 in my bank account. In my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down. 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 Hey, Kuzo. What is going on, Kuzo family? It's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
You didn't know what it is, man. Alright, so today we're gonna do something a little different. Normally we watch videos, right? But I noticed in Iceland, like sometimes there's lots of good songs, but sometimes there's no video for it. Sometimes it just goes straight to Spotify. So obviously, I've only just recently heard that Aaron Khan's got a new song, which I'm happy, man. You know I love my Aaron Khan. Yo, if you're watching this, big up to you, my dog. Keep doing what you're doing. You're a talented youth. I won't lie, you're talented. But yeah, so hello.
Oh, you recording now?
Yeah, we're recording. What's up? Sorry about that. We had a little disturbance with my mum. Sorry. So Aaron Khan, I believe it's called OPEC. Yeah, OPEC. Did I pronounce that right? I don't know if I pronounced that right, but hopefully I did. So without further ado, we're gonna get right straight to it, man. And we're gonna try and make it as entertaining as possible. Oh, OPEC means naughty. Is that what it means? Naughty?
Yeah, I think so.
So nice. Oh, Spotify, behave. Sorry, lads. Hey. Yeah. I can fam, the beat, yeah. Like Aaron Khan, like most of his songs, like he's got a good ear for music. Like his taste is fantastic. Like most of his songs, the beats he used, like Friku, Fulevasa, Ekimena, like most of his songs, Ingomora, the beat just, he's so sick. Like I'm pretending he's my favorite, hands down. Like for me, he's the best, hands down. He is the best. Like he's so good, honestly. Comment it down if you agree. Like he's the next generation, like literally. Like spitting that. K to the U to the Z to the O. Doing my thing. Do choo, hey, sitting down with my little brother, hey, listening to Aaron Khan, yeah, Aaron Khan, naughty, ope, eke, mother, free, cool, full of vasa, hey. I can't rap, guys, I can't rap. Oh yeah. Is this song on the iTunes, like Apple Music? Because I don't use Spotify. Yo. Oh, man.
What a tune.
That song's getting downloaded right now to my phone, and every time I wake up and drive, I'm going to play that song. Flipping beast. Flipping hell, man.
He's a beast.
Talk to him, Jermaine, man.
He rules Iceland for music. No disrespect to any other artists, but he's the best there. Every single one of his songs, he never disappoints.
Never. I love every single artist. Like, I love my Helen Uchishmore, Mr. Peanut Butter. Some say Mr. Butter Peanut. I don't know. It's different, right? MJ Gauti, flipping Alexander Jao. We haven't got a video of him. We're gonna do a reaction to one of his songs. I know about Alexander Jao, don't worry. Flipping Joey Christ. He's new as well, so I look forward to seeing what he's got. Been there. I mean, who the fuck is Been there? That's so funny. But yeah, nah. I like this new wave, this new generation of Islamic artists, man. Use lot. Aaron Khan, yeah, flipping now, you're sick, bro, innit? Say no more now, you're proper good, man. So, yeah, comment down below what song we should do next. Let me know if there's more Aaron Khan songs that I haven't checked out yet. If you guys enjoyed us reacting to your song on Spotify, because normally we do music videos, if you guys liked it, press that thumbs up and tell us to carry on, and tell us other songs that's not on YouTube but on Spotify. We'll check them out as well, so just let us know. And yeah, man, flipping sick, bro, flipping sick. This makes, I'm looking forward to, hopefully I'll be coming back to Iceland, so if I do come back, I'm gonna be super excited. So smash that thumbs up if I should come back to Iceland. Comment down below if I should. Iceland, lovely country, lovely vibes. I'm waffling, so make sure you follow us on Instagram. It'll be up here somewhere. Add me on Snapchat, it'll be there somewhere. I might add my brother's social media as well. Oh, your phone's gone. So our flash just went off, but don't worry about that. We'll do that afterwards. It was charging though, innit?
That's what I'm thinking.
Sorry guys, but yeah, you guys are Kuzo, we're Kuzo, everything Kuzo. Remember, stay shining. It's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
And we're out.